Number 6, take a look at. It means to examine or consider something.
Take a look at these photos from our trip. Take a look at these photos from our trip. She took a quick look at the document. She took a quick look at the document. Can you take a look at my car's engine? Can you take a look at my car's engine?
Number 7, take care of. It means to look after someone or something.
Please take care of the cat while I'm away. Please take care of the cat while I'm away. He takes care of his sick grandmother. He takes care of his sick grandmother. They take care of the garden together. They take care of the garden together.
Number 8, take a break. It means to pause work or an activity to rest.
Let's take a break after 2 hours of study. Let's take a break after 2 hours of study. She took a break to stretch her legs. She took a break to stretch her legs. They took a break from hiking to eat lunch. They took a break from hiking to eat lunch.
Number 9, take a seat. It means to sit down.
Please take a seat while you wait. Please take a seat while you wait. He took a seat at the back of the room. He took a seat at the back of the room. The teacher asked the students to take a seat. The teacher asked the students to take a seat.
Number 10, take off. It means to remove something, also to depart or begin to fly.
It's warm inside, so take off your coat. It's warm inside, so take off your coat. The plane will take off in 10 minutes. The plane will take off in 10 minutes. His business took off after the first year. His business took off after the first year.